Welcome in to another woolly review, but for cotton this week. Now, I've already done Drops Love You number 7. This is number 9. It is recycled cotton. This is 100% cotton. It's a 50 gram skein. It's in the yarn group A. The colour is 107, like a mustardy yellow, like German mustardy yellow. There we go. Now I do apologise. Normally I use the recommended size hook. I can't this week because I can't find my 3mm hook. I've only got the one and I can't find it. So we're going to have to put up with Beanie. I'm sorry. We got the bean. And this is actually one of the winnings for Woolly Wednesday. So I've got to be careful. There's going to be no cutting. We're just going to give it a good test. So I am going to add it onto my genie, just to make things a little bit easier, if I can. All for an easy life. There we go. And I'm only going to do a small swatch this week. So, what can I tell you about drops? From what I gather, there are 19 different colours. And the cheapest place I found it was on Yarn Street for 63p. Oh, one more. So I'll just do a small swatch of 12. I'll do some single crochets. And I split. I knew it would. It was getting there when I was doing the chain. As I'm using it, it feels like there's a substance on it. There's a odd sensation like it's coated in something. I don't know what, but it's coated in something. Like, maybe I wouldn't want to wear this. I wouldn't have said it was rough, you know, and only to be used by someone if they're making a household item, but I don't think I'd want to wear it. So there we have the single crochets. We'll go into doubles now, half doubles. Oops. Yeah, I can't say that I'm liking the feel of this because of whatever, and it's split again, these people have coated on it. It looks very splitty, and yes, I'm having to be a little bit cautious with it. I am using a size up, or if we're going to get technical, 2 sizes up from what is actually recommended, and it's split again. So that might have some bearing on it. So when it comes to the review, I can't actually blame the splittiness because that may well be part and parcel of the fact that I'm using a bigger hook than I should be. Okay, and the last one we will do a double crochet. So whoever wins this, whoever has won this, I hope you can make use of it and you're not put off, because at the end of the day, these reviews are my opinion only. And of course, we're all individuals, so we all have our own. You have to let me know down in the comments if you've used this particular one. So stitch definition isn't too bad at all. It's definitely there. It doesn't actually feel too bad to wear. I guess when I was just working with it, it was like, oh, I don't know. But that doesn't feel too bad. As expected, there's no stretch there at all. But let's go meet the frog, shall we? The little frog takes a wander, takes a little walk down to the pond, which is a long way away. So he gets on his moped. And there we have, there's a good amount of kinkage there. That's a really, really good amount of kinkage. So that's something very much to be aware of. Whoever's won this, I'm so sorry. I'm not going to put it as a skein wind. That's what I've used, and that's what's going back. So what do I reckon about this? Now, I'm a huge fan of drops. Huge fan. I think the cost of it is amazing for what you get. I mean, 76 euros or 63p for this for 50 grams. And on there is, I mean, all the details are going to be down below, but there's 125 meters or 136 yards on there, which is a really, really nice amount. Really nice amount. But what am I going to give it? It wasn't too bad to work with. It's just that. So I wouldn't turn my back on it. Would I be really upset if it was the only thing left in the shop and I really badly needed this size cotton? No. Would I be, oh, is that all you've got? Well, I guess it's in my top 10. Maybe. Well, I think I'm going to push this ever so slightly because of the value for money. It's recycled cotton, which is a huge bonus for me. So that is going to add to this. I'm going to give it a 3.5. The feel of it while working with it wasn't overly nice, but I'm overly pleased with the price. I'm overly pleased with the fact that it's recycled. So that's a huge bonus, but it definitely wouldn't be the first thing that I go for, or even the second. It would be a, well, if I have to, then okay, yeah, let's go for it then. It's okay. It's not bad. So my review for this, Drops Love You number 9, is a 3.5 Ladybirds out of 5. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed already and you are a crocheter or a yarn enthusiast, by all means, please subscribe. It's completely free. And we have a lot of giveaways going on over here. We have tutorials. We have some yarny yum-yums here and there. So if you'd like to come back and check in again, subscribe down below, completely free. And hopefully I will see you soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.